Let's see on one question that how to pass the data or the values from source JSP program to destination JSP program. So actually there are two approaches. There are two approaches. The first approach is, so let me add the first approach. Array. Let me add the first approach. Approach one. Approach one. Okay. And here is my first point. So what is the approach one? If source and destination JSP program resides in same web application. So here I can use JSP program forward tag, right? Yeah. And approach two, if source and destination program are resides in a different web application. When source and JSP program resides in two different web applications. Okay. So I'll explain this later on. First, let me cover these points. First, let me cover this approach one point. Fine. Now let me add the node point. So in this case, I suggest you to use request attribute. Use request attributes. Okay. When will you use request attribute? When source and source and destination JSP program uses same request object. Next up. So use session attribute. These are the implicit objects and their attributes. Use session attribute when source and destination JSP program get request from same browser window. Next, one more third C, or you can use third point. We call here A, B, C because it will confuse between approach 1, 2, 3. These are the important points for your developing your web application. Okay. Next up, use application attribute. Use application attributes in some condition, in any condition. Okay. And here D, use a page context attribute. Use page context attributes. When will you use? It allows to create request attribute. Request attributes allows to create request attribute. Allows to create session attributes and allows to create application attributes. It allows all. Okay. Now next we shall see about approach 2. Approach 2. Is this clear, guys? Okay. Next up. Now, what does it mean if source and destination JSP program resides in two different web applications? So first, solution. What is the first solution, guys? Or the solution directly you can use response.sendRedirect. I suggest you to use. So always append the query string to the URL of response.sendRedirect. Okay. Response.sendRedirect. send redirect method. So how will you add? How will you append? Just now we appended in the previous just last example. Response.sendRedirect. Suppose this is your URL, question mark, parameter 1 or attribute 1, then value 1, uh, ampersand, parameter p2 and value 2. Like this you can append all the parameters. So I'm adding here dash dash dash, or let me add one more for your additional information sake. Parameter 3, value 3, dash dash dash. I made dash 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 means you can have another attributes. Okay guys, so I hope you are clear. I hope you are clear about this. Clear? Next, some more important points. Let me add some more important points about request session application.